A tragic incident occurred in Puriang village under Mawryngkneng Constituency, where a massive fire destroyed a house. According to the village headman, who spoke over the phone, the incident had taken place between 5:30 to 6 p.m. The village headman stated that the house was made of wood and fortunately no one was injured during the incident. However, the exact cause of the fire is yet to be determined as investigations by the police are still underway. This unfortunate event has caused significant loss to the family.